Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sophia and today I'm going to show you all the fun that I had while I was in Jamaica. If this is your first time here, welcome. On my channel, I love to share hair care tips at home, couponing, self-care, and product reviews. Please remember to click that notification bell and subscribe so that you'll know when any new videos are posted. So, let's go.
Yes.
Are you enjoying yourself so far?
Yes.
That's great. Which is the oldest building in the parish, which is the Trelawney Parish Church. Apart from the bamboo raft, we use the bamboo to make cups. We use it to make plates like trough to eat from. The Rastafarian would eat from the bamboo tree. Some of the houses are like back in the hills. You'd have to walk, you know, if you don't see. So it grows very big too, and we get lumber from it. We use it to make craft items. So some of those carvings that you see. That's his dad discovery. His mom is not here, so chances are if you're going out you might be able to see his mom on the way back or
Good morning, Deja Vu. This is Angela.
I think that's his dad on the veranda there.
But we're just trying to make it a little easier for you to eat. So when you're eating, you're not run down in the Queen's English. No, we speak mostly patois in Jamaica, alright? So we speak it in patois, mackerel run down. Let me hear you say mackerel run down.
Mackerel run down.
Run down.
Run down.
Very good.
Yes.
You won't find this in your hotels. We try to make it as authentic as possible, alright? So you get a real local Jamaican dish that you wouldn't get in the hotel. Half of this here. Half of the sweet potatoes, sorry, sweet peppers. Half of the tomatoes, and then you're gonna add all of the all of this, which is the salted mackerel. Yeah. So you're gonna stir, and then we're gonna add the coconut milk. Did you see the coconut in the market at all today?
Yes.
All right. So the coconut milk. You notice here, it's already start creaming to the top here. Usually, when you're making a mackerel rundown, you cannot make a mackerel rundown without the coconut milk, okay? You have to pour all of that in it, and you stir. You ready for me, Dad? Alright, so we're going to add a splash and a dash of the Maggi all-purpose seasoning, okay?
Okay.
Maggi all-purpose seasoning is one of the most delicious ones that we have in Jamaica, alright? We always keep it in our kitchen. They come in chicken, fish, and all-purpose.
For the whole purpose, you can use it on chicken,
You
fish.
can use it on chicken, fish, pork, anything you want to use it on. So we add a splash and a dash. Yeah?
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
listen
man.
to the music. You remember me telling you that I'm Chef Jamming, right?
Yeah.
You want to see that for yourself? Come on, jam with me, Lady Sophia. Yeah, look at her. Look at Lady Sophia jamming with me.
It does.
Stir it up. Come on.
Stirring it up, stirring it up.
Give me a bump over here now. Yeah. Stir it up. Yeah. Remember, I told you I'm Chef Jamming.
Thanks so much for watching my video, and maybe one day you can go to Jamaica and have as much fun as I did. Remember to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when new videos are posted. Bye!